Welcome to another video. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. If you're also looking to make money online, see the links in the description box below. We have free forex robots, free trading courses, free trading books, everything to help you make money online this year. Getting on with our video. If you're not aware, the Department of Health in South Africa is actually confirmed that it is not at this point in time going to impose a screening for COVID-19 for those people that are arriving from China, whether they are people from other nationalities or it's actually Chinese nationals. We don't know yet whether it's a case of the Department of Health or the government of South Africa not wanting to offend their Chinese friends, or if they are aware of something else that everybody else in the world is not aware regarding the rising cases of infections in China. If you're not aware of it, there have been reports of rising cases of COVID-19 in China, and that has seen many countries across the world actually starting to implement screening for people arriving from China. Many countries are not taking the risk, and many countries are trying to make sure that the people that are entering their countries are not bringing COVID-19 into their shores again. But it seems in South Africa, we are not yet at that level. So what do you think about this? Do you think maybe the Department of Health is probably making a mistake with this? Remember, when COVID-19 then started picking up, many people actually lost their jobs, their businesses, because countries then went into shutdown. We were forced to go into shutdown. Now, there have been increased cases in China, and the Department of Health in South Africa says at this point they don't see any reason to start screening people arriving from China. What do you think about this? Do you think we should be taking more precaution with people arriving from China, or probably there is no reason to panic yet? Remembering that if another pandemic comes, we are going to see people losing their lives and people losing their businesses and people losing their jobs. What do you think about this development? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm interested in reading what you have to say about this. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.